Hello everyone, welcome back to Jack's Technologies. Guys, today I am going to show you how to get rid of those long repetitive if-else statements in your Python code. Okay, so we will first look at the traditional if-else approach, which many of us use. Then I will show you a smarter and cleaner way to solve the same problem using Python dictionaries. Okay, let's get started. Guys, let's imagine we are building a simple traffic light system where different actions are triggered based on the traffic light color. For example, when the light is red, we should stop. When it's yellow, we should get ready. And when it's green, we should go. Okay, so what I have did here, first I have defined three separate functions for each traffic light state. So red light, yellow light, green light. Okay, and default light. Each function represents the action we need to perform to a specific traffic light. Okay, for example, if I call red light, it prints stop. If I call yellow light, it prints get ready and so on. Okay. Now guys, what happens here? Next we ask the user to input the number corresponding to the traffic light. Like for example, this input will determine which function gets called. For an example, if user enter 1, I will call red light function. If user enter 2, I'll call yellow light. If user enters 3, I'll call green light. Okay. And if the input doesn't matches, then we'll call the default light. Got it? Now, how I have achieved this? See, I have taken the if statements here. If user enters the choice 1, I am calling red light. If user enters choice 2, I am calling yellow light. If user enters choice 3, I am calling green light. Okay, so let's run this one and just check it out. So I am just giving the input as 1. I called red light so that stop, the light is red. So if I enter 2, it will say get ready. If I enter 3, then it will say go, the light is green. If I enter any other number, 8, okay, so it is saying invalid light, please choose a valid option. Got it? Okay, so this works fine guys. But there is a problem. As you add more traffic light states or actions, the number of if statements will grow more, right? This will make the code harder to read and maintain. Let me now show you how to simplify this using Python dictionaries. Got it? Okay. Now guys, instead of writing multiple if-else blocks, what we can do, we can map the traffic light options directly to the corresponding functions using a dictionary. Okay. Now see, I have created a dictionary called traffic lights, where each key represents the user input and each value is a corresponding function. The keys are 1, 2, 3, which represent the traffic light colors. The values are function references like red light, yellow light, and green light. Notice, guys, I am not calling these functions so that I have not used the parenthesis here. Got it? No. Still, we ask user to input their choice. Okay. So, what I have to do here is the magic, guys. Instead of using multiple if-else statements, we use dot get method of the dictionary to dynamically fetch the corresponding function. Got it? For an example, if the user enters 1, let's see. So traffic lights dot get off. If user enters 1, then this dot get method retrieves the red light function from the dictionary. If the user inputs 2, then it retrieves yellow light. If user inputs 3, then it retrieves green light. Now, let's say for example, if user has given the invalid input, then it has to retrieve default light. Correct? So, as it is just retrieving the values from the dictionary, I am using the parenthesis here. So, when it retrieves red light using parenthesis, it will call the function and it will print the output. Got it? Now, guys, look at here. When I run this, I gave the input as 1. See, it has retrieved red light function. As I have passed parenthesis here, it called this red light function. Got it? Now stop, the light is red. Now see, I'm user inputs 2, get ready. User inputs 3, go, the light is green. If user gives any invalid input, then what it say? I'm giving 5 here. Invalid light, please choose a valid option. Got it? Now guys, as you have seen, we started with the traditional if-else approach and then replaced it with a dictionary based solutions. The dictionary method is more efficient, easier to read, and scales better for larger programs. Got it? Guys, now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips.